couple of weeks ago I unboxed the Jimmy JV85 PRO, and in this video I want to share with you how it's performing. In short, it's a pretty amazing device, but there is a catch. It doesn't work for every type of home. So stick around and let's get started. I would consider the Jimmy a mid-range cordless vacuum cleaner in terms of price, but what makes the Jimmy JV85 PRO so interesting is that it has the specs and features of a high-end model. Overall, I really like this cleaner and there are many reasons why I would recommend it. The motor feels really powerful and is definitely as strong as a Dyson V11, if not stronger. And because of that, as well as the seals on the bottom of the cleaning head, it manages to pick up easily all kind of debris, including from a small gap. Now the soft roller is really well designed and picks up debris from hard floors extremely good. Even with a super unrealistic test, the Jimmy JV85 PRO manages to pick up and didn't seem to clog. Now the soft roller is, according to Jimmy, also designed for short pile and normal carpets, but because we don't have any at home over here, we just have this sort of rock, it looks to do a pretty good job too. Last but not least, it also does an excellent job with the hair pickup and tangle resistance. So when you have this cute little monster around you, you don't have to worry about hairs getting tangled. At the maximum power, the noise is very reasonable at 83 decibels, which is lower compared to the Dyson V11 at 86 decibels. Cleaning itself is also more easy than before with the regular stick vacuum cleaners, and that's because this metal tube is flexible. Now therefore you can really easy clean under some furniture, but that's not always possible as the head itself is relatively thick and our TV stand, for example, is on the low side. What is interesting though is that the filter, which is not indicated as an HEPA filter, can be washed. And despite that, it looks that the filtration is doing a good job. What I really like a lot is the amount of accessories and attachments Jimmy provides to you. The upholstery tools are super handy to clean your couch or the car. The wall mount is super handy too, especially compared to the 𝗦𝗵cie that we have at home over here, because here I have to insert the cable myself. But also this smaller motorized pet brush for upholstery and stairs, for example, is a really nice addition. Other than that, it has some great other touches, like a removable battery, the dustbin is reasonably sized, easy to remove and clean as well, and the handling and the swivel was smooth. Speaking about the battery, which is pretty genius that you can easily replace one, it gives you with the motorized brush around 55 minutes in normal mode, 25 in strong mode and 13 in maximum mode according to Jimmy. The last one is rather 11-12 minutes in a real life test, and that doesn't seem a lot, but compared to the 8 minutes on the Dyson V11, that is a huge difference. In terms of cons, there aren't many, mainly one, as mentioned before. This device is mainly for those with a hard floor at home, as the soft roller brush cannot deep clean carpets, because it mainly touches the surface only. The other thing is that this device feels a bit plasticky and cheap, even though it's not. If you compare it to, for example, the 𝗦𝗵cie, it's also made out of plastic but feels so much more robust and durable and probably withstand external forces and drops way better than the Jimmy. Alright, that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to make my day and to get notified whenever there's a new video uploaded. If you have some comments or questions, you know what to do, drop them down below, as I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see all of you in the next one.